Unlock a universe of interactive learning with Blooket, the revolutionary platform that turns education into an engaging game. Let's dive in. First, you'll land on your Blooket Dashboard, your central hub for all things Blooket here. You can see all the exciting game modes available. To get started, you'll want to create your own quiz. Or click the Create button. You can either build a new set from scratch, adding your questions and answers manually, or import them from a spreadsheet for a quicker setup. When creating a new set, simply type in your questions and their corresponding answers. You can mark which answer is correct. Think of it like building your own personalized knowledge challenge for your students, or even for yourself to study. Once your set is ready, it's time for the fun part: playing. Blooket offers a fantastic variety of game modes, each with its own unique twist, from racing to answer questions correctly in Space Race, to defending your tower in Tower Defense. There's always something new and exciting to explore. As an educator, hosting a game is simple. Just select your chosen game mode, choose your question set, and then share the join code with your students. They'll enter the code on their devices and be transported into the game, ready to learn while playing. Beyond the thrilling gameplay, Blooket adds a layer of personalization with its unique Blooks. As you play and earn in-game currency, you can visit the shop to unlock and customize adorable characters and accessories for your avatar. It's a fun way to reward participation and add a personal touch. Blooket isn't just about fun. It's also a powerful learning tool. The platform provides detailed reports on student performance, helping you identify areas where students might need extra support. You can track individual progress, see which questions were challenging, and adapt your teaching accordingly. And if you're looking for inspiration, Blooket offers a treasure trove of educational resources and a community of passionate educators. You can explore thousands of pre-made question sets created by others, saving you time and providing a wealth of learning materials across various subjects. So, whether you're looking to boost student engagement, reinforce learning, or simply make studying more enjoyable, Blooket is your go-to platform. Start your Blooket adventure today and transform the way you learn and teach.